So you're wondering if a maintenance agreement is really worth it. That is a really great question, and honestly, it's one we get all the time. If your system's running fine right now, it might be really hard to see the value in paying for regular maintenance. But here's the truth, maintenance isn't just about preventing breakdowns. It's about protecting your investment, your warranty, and your comfort. All right, so let's dive in. Let's start with warranties. Most HVAC manufacturers require proof of annual maintenance to keep your warranty valid. So if something breaks and you haven't had your system maintained, that warranty claim could just be denied. A maintenance agreement makes sure that your system is documented, serviced, so that your warranty stays intact. All right, so we're moving on from warranties, and now we're gonna talk about performance and lifespan. Your HVAC system is a lot like a car. It works best when it's tuned up regularly. So that means that dust, dirt, airflow are the biggest reasons why systems fail early. Here at Yarbrough & Sons, in our maintenance plan, we're going out and checking the electrical components to the airflow to make sure air is getting to the spaces it is intended to go, and as well as just making sure your system is operating as efficiently and optimally as possible. So this ultimately helps your system to run efficiently and avoid those out of nowhere repair bills. Our maintenance plans are really there to make sure that no unexpected issues pop up with your air conditioning system. It's a lot like getting a checkup at the doctor. Even though nothing's wrong, you're there to find issues before they become major ones. Then there's air quality. Every bit of air you breathe in your home passes through your HVAC system. If your blower wheel, coil, or filters are dirty, that's the air you're breathing in. With regular maintenance, you get cleaner air and a more comfortable home, especially during allergy season. I have terrible allergies, and air quality is a really big deal to me because it works. It works and it matters. And here's another benefit that people don't always think about, and it's trust. When you're a maintenance member, you're not calling a stranger when something goes wrong. So when you're working with someone like our team or your local professionals team, they should be familiar with your home and your system. As any issues pop up, they're gonna have a history of that. So that way they know you, your needs, and your home's needs. And I mean, honestly, that makes a huge difference when it comes to honesty, recommendations for the future, and the long-term care and life of your system. And you also get priority service, which is great. I've been in this industry a really long time, and the minute we have a hot spell or a cold snap, our schedule fills up just about instantly. And if you're a regular maintenance member, you get priority scheduling and prioritization as far as our service calls go. So that way during the hottest months of the year or the coldest months of the year, you're taken care of. And we can ensure that we get someone out to your house as soon as possible. And honestly, that's probably a benefit that a lot of really well-run HVAC companies offer. So the last thing I want to talk to y'all about is savings. Our members receive a 20% discount on all repairs. That also includes plumbing. I feel like I'm telling you something secret because that kind of is, I guess. So anytime a repair does come up, you're automatically saving money. A 20% discount is a pretty steep discount, and so that's what we offer here at Yarbrough & Sons. Your local service provider might not have a similar discount, but that's why it's so important to do your research and choose a team and company that you trust. So to answer the ultimate question, is a maintenance agreement worth it? Yes. And you'd say, well, of course you'd say that, you're the HVAC guy. And I am saying that. But if you're interested in saving money, protecting your investment, and protecting your warranty, ultimately, a maintenance agreement is worth your time, energy, and money. At Yarbrough & Sons, our maintenance membership is more than just a tune-up. It's peace of mind, priority service, and a promise that your comfort is our top priority. So if you're in the Oklahoma City metro area and you're ready to have your system perform better, protect your investment, and to have better comfort and quality of life for your system, I would highly recommend you scan this QR code and check out our maintenance memberships. If you're not in our service area, I would really highly recommend that you do your research. Find a good quality company that has good reviews and a good reputation, and then ask that company what their maintenance plan is. And then ultimately, this is gonna be the best thing for you in your home, especially if you're planning on staying in your home for a long time, because it protects your investment and can ultimately save you money. We'd love to hear from you guys down in the comments. If you think a maintenance membership is worth it, we'd love to hear why. And even if you don't think it's worth it, also tell us why. We hope this video was really helpful to you. If you're planning on getting a maintenance membership, and even if you've got other questions, comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. All right, that's it. Thanks.
Yarbrough and Sons, Yarbrough and Sons, these are the folks you should know.